god. It's a Mahi.
Real fast.
Hey Clark.
Woo! Come on. You need to step up here, you can. Don't worry about wherever you need to go.
I need to come over here.
You're good. Give me that. Stand right there. Keep that line tight. Never letting any slack, okay?
Clark, you need to hurry up. Damn, you keep reeling.
Keep it tight. Don't yank on it. Keep it tight, bud. That's a good fish. Rare this time. Get the line. Nice and slow. Call him jump.
There he is.
There he is right there.
Dad, watch out.
What do you want me to do? Good right there. Let me see your rock. Give me your rock. Give me your rock. Give me your rock. Hold the gap. I'm gonna go over you. Alright, come here, buddy.
Alright.
Grab the rod back. Keep the line tight. Okay.
There's a fish on both sides.
Alright, keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Reel.
Nice little girl.
Wow, it's freaking awesome. Reel up some more.
Oh, he's beautiful.
Are you videoing this?
Yes.
I got a good copy of this. Reel.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. You're good.
Release me.
Reel.
Ready? Here he is. Here he is.
Reel. Stop.
Yes! Yay!
Oh, it's gonna go crazy and blood's gonna go everywhere. These fish bleed a lot, okay?
Hey, I've got a pretty good keeper out here.
Okay.